Good evening everyone, this is Shimpi Khatri from Persona and Academy for Spoken English and Personality Development in Jaipur. Today I am talking about simple and dynamic interpersonal skills. Each of us wants to grab attention. Each of us wants to win the world. But actually what we need to do? What is that thing which can help us to have it? Let's talk about it. Many factors that prevent building and nurturing of positive relationships. What are they? They are like selfishness, self-centeredness, impatience and anger, poor listening, rude and discourteous behavior, negative attitude, unrealistic expectations from others, and many more factors that prevent. All over the world, if we find we don't have business problems or personal problems as such, but we have people problems. When we take care of our people, the business problems or personal problems get automatically resolved. The people deal with us not because we are the smartest people or most talented people around them. They deal with us because they are comfortable with us. Question is, what gives them this level of comfort? This is intangible and this is going to be X factor. Second question is, how do you build this X factor? Successful people have pleasing and magnetic personality, which is what makes them charismatic. It helps them to have friendly cooperation from others. Third question is, what is this pleasing personality? It is apparent in the way they talk, they walk, their tone of voice, the warmth in their behavior, and definitive level of confidence. I am not wrong if I say this is a perfect combination of attitude, behavior and expressions. If your expressions have a proper flow from heart to face, you won't be able to lose attractiveness regardless of age. On the contrary, your fake though charming manners won't be able to disguise your poor character for long run. Your poor character will be revealed shortly. If you really want to win your world, you should have two things, character and charisma. If you have poor character, you won't be able to attract people. You won't be able to have good relationship with others, no matter how strong personality you have, no matter how much talented you are, whether it is your action, behavior or thoughts. Sooner or later, they return and with great accuracy. Always remember that we see the things not the way they are. Actually, we see the things the way we are. Most of the time, we find that people's behavior towards us is reactionary to our behavior towards them. By changing our behavior, we can influence their behavior towards us. Guys, this is not an end. I'll get more informative videos ahead. Please like and subscribe our channel so that you can have them. I hope you like this video. You can write me on persona.espd@gmail.com or you can call me on 9828 226182. Thank you so much for watching it.